I do go back to school in September though, so I don't know how that's gonna work, but that's my final year as well, so we'll worry about that once we get there.
Well, I made it. Yeah. It's May. I finished my program. I passed all my courses, so now I'm just living life. I guess what happened is that I did not upload. Who would have guessed with my upload schedule?
I'm really, really, really sorry. I didn't realise that it was... I'm sorry.
Why are you laughing? It's not a funny situation. You're
It's
supposed to be
not even any-
apologising.
I'm not.
This is just an update video. Oh my god, what's wrong with me, bro? What's wrong with me? Hey. What's wrong with me? Hey. What's wrong with me? This is just an update video. Basically, just saying, like, the car has been running since August. I'll post a video of the actual first start of the car here, I guess.
Nervous. Yeah. Yeah!
First try. Dude, that was
Dude!
no issue.
I would show you the car and show you it running, but apparently I'm just unlucky, and apparently the month of April, because this happened a couple weeks ago, it's like mid-May right now when I'm filming this, so apparently the month of April is just not a good month for me and my car. I don't get it. I got backed into, which you either just saw or you're about to see. So right now my car's in the shop getting fixed. So when I get it back, which hopefully will be in a couple weeks, yeah, I'll be uploading on this channel. Got plenty of things planned to do on the car. There's still, for instance, like the whole front suspension needs to be replaced, so that's gonna be filmed, I guess. And there's just a bunch of other cosmetic stuff I want to do to the car. So plenty of stuff to film, plenty of stuff to do, which is great. There's always stuff to do on that car. But yeah, I guess now that school's not getting in the way, this is just life. So hopefully I can actually stick to a schedule, stick to uploading, and do this, because it's honestly just fun. But yeah, so yeah, I guess that's the update. I'll see you when I get my car back. But yeah. Bye. Why don't you think